Hello everyone, I am Tanvir Ahmed from Bangladesh. I came to India for the treatment of my younger sister. So it was my first tour in India, and I was not sure what to do and what I will do, which hospital I will be going to. And QRaid was there for me, and they were helping us with everything, from hotel booking to appointment with the doctors, the best hospitals in India. They gave us all the informations about everything. So when I landed to India in Mumbai, I wasn't sure how will I proceed further, but later on the QRaid was with us and they helped us in every way, from showing us to the hotels, to the hospitals, attending to the doctors, and telling us what to do and what we should do, what can we do about the treatments, and about transferring money to everything. And they were a very good support for us, and in every way they wanted to help us, and they helped us what they can. And it was very good journey for us in India, and the treatment quality was very good, and the best doctors we have seen here in every department. The best department was selected for the treatments of different diseases, and they helped us to find the doctors, to find the hospitals and everything. Thank you QRaid for helping us in this regard.